Yo, federal government, interstate people, do me a favor, man, for real. I fucking hate 4-lane highways. Every time a 2-lane highway becomes a 4-lane highway, super congested. Can we keep the left 2 fucking lanes separated from the right 2 lanes where people enter and exit? Make it an express. No fucking exit for the next 50 fucking miles, just through traffic. It's just a through traffic lane. Please. Fucking please. Fucking, you would think, oh, more lanes, more people, more easy to get through. No. You got fucking people fucking going like this, causing a fucking congestion up the ass, man. It pisses me off. Fucking be smart. Fuck. Just put up signs. People will read it. Oh, express. No exit for the next 50 miles. Cool. I'll take this route. I won't stay to the fucking right. But no. What do you do? You say, left 2 lanes, no trucks. Right 2 lanes, trucks. But what do cars do? I'm a car. I'll take any lane possible and go like this. I drive like this. Meanwhile, we're going like this. Dude,